Have you ever wished you could go back in time and correct a mistake? Or travel into the future to see what your life will look like? What if I told you that time travel is not just science fiction? It is actually a concept studied by scientists. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of time travel. Let's begin. What is time travel? Time travel means moving between different points in time, just as we move from one place to another. Imagine stepping into a machine, pressing a button, and suddenly finding yourself in ancient Egypt, the age of dinosaurs, or even the year 3000. Sounds impossible? Maybe not. Einstein's theory. More than 100 years ago, the famous scientist Albert Einstein changed our understanding of time. According to his theory of relativity, time is not the same for everyone. The faster you travel, the slower time moves for you. This phenomenon is called time dilation. Example: imagine two twins. One stays on Earth, the other travels in a spaceship moving close to the speed of light. When the astronaut returns, he may have aged only a few years while decades have passed on Earth. In a way, he has traveled into the future. But can we travel to the future? Scientists believe that traveling to the future is theoretically possible. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station already experience tiny amounts of time dilation. The difference is very small, but it proves that time can be affected. The challenge is reaching speeds close to the speed of light. With today's technology, that's nearly impossible. Can we travel to the past? Traveling to the past is much more complicated. Why? Because it creates paradoxes. This is also known as the grandfather paradox. Imagine going back in time and preventing your grandfather from meeting your grandmother. If they never met, you would never be born. But if you were never born, who traveled back in time? Confusing, right? This is one of the biggest problems with backward time travel. Some scientists suggest that mysterious tunnels in space called wormholes might connect different points in time and space. Think of folding a piece of paper. Two distant points suddenly become very close. A wormhole could act like a shortcut through the universe. But here's the problem: no one has ever discovered a usable wormhole. For now, they remain theoretical. What would you do? If you had a time machine, where would you go? Would you visit the dinosaurs, witness the construction of the pyramids, meet famous historical figures, or travel to the future and see advanced civilizations? Comment below and let us know. The dark side of time travel. What if changing one small event completely altered history? A tiny action in the past could create a totally different future. This idea is known as the butterfly effect. A small change can lead to massive consequences. Maybe that's why time travel remains one of the universe's greatest mysteries. Time travel has fascinated humanity for centuries. While science suggests that traveling into the future may be possible, traveling into the past remains a mystery. Will humans ever build a real time machine? Only time will tell. Until then, the adventure continues. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to S.M.V channel creations, turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next mysterious adventure.